Chapter 4 focuses on completing the accounting cycle. We will first prepare a form known as a worksheet. A worksheet is a form that companies may decide to use to capture the information needed to prepare their different types of financial statements. So we'll look at what's called the 5 columns of a worksheet and prepare all 5 of those columns. Next up, preparing what we call closing entries or closing out the books. We'll focus on what are the steps a company is going to take at the end of the accounting period to close out what's known as their temporary accounts. We'll look at those steps and then prepare what's called a post-closing trial balance. This is a trial balance prepared at the end of the accounting period after we've done closing entries to make sure that our debit balances equal our credit balances. Next, we're going to review the different steps of the accounting cycle, from journalizing transaction, posting the ledger accounts, preparing adjusting entries, preparing financial statements, closing out the accounting records at the end of the accounting period. We'll also focus on, when necessary, how do we do what's known as a correcting journal entry. Last part of the chapter focus on what's known as a classified balance sheet. The word classified means categories. So we're going to focus on what are the categories shown on a classified balance sheet. What is the meaning of these different categories? So we'll look at the different asset categories, the different liability categories, and the section known as stockholders' equity. So let's prepare and get ready for another fun-filled chapter of accounting.